Alright guys, in this episode we're going to be changing the mirror out on this 2012 Ram 1500. So let's begin. Alright, first we will go ahead and pop our tool right behind the plastic and pull it out. Then we'll grab a 10 millimeter and loosen up all the bolts. And that one I will need a wrench. Alright, and then we'll remove all the rivets out of the door. And we'll use our handy dandy thingamajigger. And pop all of them out. I've already taken the screw out of this already. There we go. Go ahead and pop it out, set it to the side, and then now we can pull this up and bring it down. If you want to, go ahead and pull your switch out, make it a whole lot easier. Just make sure you don't pull on the wires. Make sure you use the connector. And we'll go ahead and set that down for now, as well as that. Then we'll follow the lights in, or not the lights, the mirror in, and then you'll be this connector and this black connector as well. Just like that. And I'll finish taking the bolts out, or the nuts, whatever you want to call them. Bring your connectors through. That's how you take out a headlight. A mirror. A mirror, right, not we have a new mirror. So we'll go ahead and pull off the plastic, throw that off to the side, as well as this. And we went with tow mirrors. They were a little cheaper than the standard dimmable mirrors. But they'll look good and they'll work just fine. Then we'll go ahead and pull this crap off to the side. And it looks like you have to pop a hole for the connector to go through. So we'll go ahead and do that right quick. Sorry, I'm unable to show you guys. Now we will grab our mirror. I'm going to put it through the same hole that the other wires came through for the old one. We will go ahead and get everything lined up. Maybe. Okay, so after you get the mirror all installed, go ahead and put your bolts back in. Sorry I couldn't record it. I've already dropped it. Because I didn't have an extra hand. So, go ahead and put your wires back in. And then just kind of tuck those away. We will go ahead and put the door panel back in. Make sure you put it in your wire harness and drop that in. Then you put your door handle back in. as well as the screw. I always want to make sure I stir everything by hand. Go ahead and grab your top plastic for your mirror, and it should just pop right into place. Just like that. All right. Then you're good to go. I figured I'd let you guys know that these mirrors are the tow mirrors, but we won't be having them up because we're not towing anything.